Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is V. Thank you for stopping by. Fun, good vibes, motivational, inspirational, encouraging words on this YouTube channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. This morning, when I got up from bed, I received the day and was thankful for a new day. I hope you are thankful for a new day. Another berries, reds, plums, mauves, pinks. Another look is coming, so keep watching. It's good. Keep watching. I am now into the second color. Again, this is the second matte. It looks like I am navigating into matte. I love a shimmer, but for some reason, these looks are starting to fall into the matte section, and I am not mad with it at all. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not harm yourself or another. If you're suffering with any ailment, whether it's an addiction, mental health, or anything else, please seek help. Help is available. Do not give up on yourself, and always, always let someone know what is going on with you, what is happening. Do not be ashamed to talk to people and let them know you have a situation. All of us have something going on behind the scenes. You might not see it, but there are things going on. Don't have shame for nothing. Anything in life that is going on with you, do not be ashamed about it. Somebody else is going through something similar. Do not dim your light. Keep shining bright. Keep seeking help. And remember, you are very, very important in this universe. Our I am is coming up next. Today's I am came from the comments. When I get these I ams, I'll be dancing. They are so powerful. I love them so much. Keep them coming so we can keep empowering each other. It helps me, and that's why I like sharing it back to the community so it can help somebody else. Today's I am says, I am beautiful, powerful, and talented. Yes, I am beautiful, powerful, and talented. You are powerful, beautiful, and talented. Ah, thank you for leaving these comments. I love them. Yes, we are all talented. We are all beautiful, and we are all powerful in our own very special way. Let's finish talking about it. I'm going into a pink matte. Me and these pinks, baby. Yeah, yeah. Being powerful doesn't mean you go out there and bully people or fight with people or be rude to people or any of that. Being powerful is an important element for each and every one of us. We have to know our power. What we are powerful in, somebody else might not be. But if we combine our powerfulness with each other, we become a force to be reckoned with. Power, powerful, beautiful. People always think that beauty is on the outside. And when I was younger, I thought so too. If you can look pretty and beautiful on the outside, everything will fall in place. And as you grow and you learn and realize that beautifulness is locked in on the inside, your beauty shines through. It is not always on the outside. Yes, you can look beautiful on the outside, but boy, when you're inside, your heart is beautiful, you glow. You glow. And people will tell you, my God, what's going on with you? You glowing. is because all that beauty on the inside is doing its magic. And then talent, we are all talented in our own special way. There is nothing like I am not talented. That is not true. Don't buy that. You are talented in your special way. Your talent and my talent will never be the same, but still, it is called talent. Your talents are very important to you. My talents is very important to me. I am powerful, beautiful, and talented. This is our I am for today. Please go out and live life to the fullest. Don't let it pass you by. Don't wait for you to be a shell of a person to say, I wish I did this or I wish I did that. Don't. Live it now. It's important. Life waits for no one. We all keep saying, tomorrow we'll do this, tomorrow we'll do this, tomorrow we'll do this. Tomorrow never comes. Tomorrow is always today. Today is always the present. So live in the now, live in the present as much as you can. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. And this look will be boom, 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 boom. I am back. And this is the look. Berries, plums, mauves, pinks, red, the whole 9 yards. I am going to be using these colors for February. This is the look. Tell me what you think in the comments. Remember today's I am powerful, beautiful, and talented. You are powerful, beautiful, and talented. Yes. Palette I use. I use the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. And this is the beautiful palette right here. Woohoo! I use 1, 2, 3 colors. This red is in the outer corner. This plum is in the middle. And then this pink is in the beginning in the inner section of my eye. Can you tell how pretty this is? You see, when I look like this, you can see the difference in color. You can see a little bit of it, but not much. But like this, yes, yes. It's Beauty or palette. Pull your palettes out and play with it. This is my look. Hair is on point. Earrings to match. I even have shirt to match. What else can I say? Everything just fell in place. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Share it with someone else. Hopefully this encouraging message helped you today and step into your now. Bye.